Just the other day, yahoo, hoo, hoo, I joined a sailing boat, yahoo, hoo, hoo. Now I live upon the sea, action and adventure be the only thing I measure, yahoo, hoo, hoo. Ha 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 ha. I don't know how clearly you can see it, but Grenada is behind me right now. Out there. Should get there in a few hours, hopefully. And then we'll see where the adventure takes us. Curtis is feeling better.
Hey guys, feeling much better from the last time. If you ever feel seasick, do not take the pills. Fight it like a man. That's what I'm doing right now, and I feel way better than I did the last time. Can't talk about seasickness pills. Back then, Jack Sparrow didn't have no seasickness pills.
We got all the sails down. We had a little bit of hassle getting the main sail down because some of the lines were stuck all the way at the top of the mast. We had to, I don't know how long we spent just on the mainsail. Maybe like 30 minutes or something on the mainsail. 45 minutes? Spent like 45 minutes bringing on the mainsail, man. But the good news is we got all the sails in, got some water, and now I think we're heading into port.
Team Naz and Baz.
Naz, Baz.
Hey.
We are docked in Grenada. It was another, wild ride, but we did it. Everyone was under a little bit of stress, but we made it through, man.
You think we should move some of these pumps? That's already tight. Yeah, it's really low.
Actually, our bow hit this, bent it back, cracked it, and then we hit this thing. So I don't know. I think it's broken. I think we might have to pay for that. Let's take a little walk around and see what it's like around here. Ooh. Looks like a soon to be, oh no, this is a volleyball net. Wow. Sand and everything. Beach volleyball vibes, man. Let's continue down the path and see what we find out here in Grenada. This is my first time in Grenada, by the way. Shout out to everybody who has been to Grenada and who wants to go to Grenada. This is my first time. Hey, I hope you enjoy your first time too. We just left the marina. We're about to go get lost. We're trying to find our way to Umbrella's beach bar, all the way across wherever on Wall Street. We are at secret harbor marina. So we're almost at the beach. We're gonna ride out of that ridiculous gap. Glad we did, because we would have to walk down.
The man carry us pretty much right where we needed to go.
Yeah, we get lucky there. For free.
You know, we're gonna have to put up the windows.
No fortune.
There we are. We found the crew.
I've heard about your farming off from Bain.
I did one.
Do not take the pills. Jack Sparrow didn't have no seasickness pills. Fight it like a man. Do not take the pills like a man. Talk about seasickness pills. Take Jack Sparrow like a man.